Good morning traders, and welcome to another Total Market Traders Daily Forex Watch List. I am Stephen and let's get to it. So first of all, we have Euro NOK long. The reason being technicals is a nice outside reversal, so we have shorts got trapped just along here and their stops may have been above here, so then they got fully stopped out. So we've also got a nice long-term trend line, long-term trend. So we have a low, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and we're at our higher low, some similar to back here. So we could potentially see price at least test this area, if not further, if it continues on this trend. And that's pretty much it for NOK. So let's take a quick look at the intradays. So a pullback to value along here. So we have a pivot, EMAs, two of them, and fibs potentially. So if we get a really nice clean rejection, that might be a decent long opportunity, targeting 9.56. So that's pretty much it, our analysis on Euro NOK. So let's go to Dollar NOK. So we have a nice outside reversal type candle. It wasn't quite an outside reversal because it didn't close above here. However, in this session it did, so that's why I'm sort of saying it. Because yesterday we again had a similar sort of thing happen where shorts were trapped here. So a lot of sell signals went off, price then rallied and then closed potentially their stops out today. We have a very nice long-term trend line going back to 2015. So it's on that sort of trend line area. Price getting squeezed into this very nice longer term price pattern. And we've got some nice deceleration, obviously the trend line, and to top it all off, weak oil, which I'll go over in a second. So on intradays, very similar to Euro NOK. If we get a nice clean rejection of this sort of area, which would be maybe a Fibonacci pullback. So yeah, 0.5 fib area. If we get that, a very nice clean rejection, and may see some nice trend up to the daily 50 EMA, so maybe 8.5. So we'll keep an eye and take the better looking one of the two. At the minute, Euro NOK looks slightly better. However, if Dollar NOK and Dollar itself continues to trend and reverse back up, that one might be slightly better, but we'll keep an eye on that. Just to top it all off quickly is US oil. Yesterday we seen extreme weakness due to OPEC fundamentals, so we will have a quick look on this. Yesterday this has been on our watch for a few days now. I was looking for potential short entry. We didn't set any orders for this one because there was no real entry potential for order setting. There was only live entries, unfortunately. As you can see here, price did come down quite a bit and retrace just as quick. Back to note, this was a potential short area, and unfortunately we weren't at our desks, so no entry was taken, but it could have been taken here if you were to use a mini phase line. If you're an aggressive day trader, you could have got in here. If not, well, there's not really much you can do about it. It's just one of those missed trades, and the only reason we bring this up is because oil is one of Norway's exports, so that's what has made it very interesting for us as taking the NOK short. So essentially you're taking this short because you're going long on the dollar and short on the NOK. So hopefully that made sense and it was of some help to you, and hope you have a great weekend, and we'll see you again next week. So thanks again, see you later, bye bye.